Welcome to a journey through time, as we unveil the ancient Greek Olympics. The Olympics were not just a sporting event but a celebration of culture, athleticism, and unity. Dating back to 776 BC, athletes from all corners of Greece gathered in Olympia to showcase their strengths and skills. The games were dedicated to Zeus, the king of the gods, as a way to demonstrate reverence and honor. Competitors participated in events such as running, wrestling, boxing, and chariot races. Victory brought not only glory, but also valuable rewards. These early Olympic Games had strict rules and regulations. Cheating was heavily penalized and athletes competed in the spirit of fairness and respect. Women were not allowed to compete or even watch the Games, as it was seen as inappropriate. Only married women were able to attend the festivities. The Olympics also included religious ceremonies, sacrifices, and poetry recitations. It truly was a spectacle of both physical and intellectual prowess. After over a millennium of tradition, the ancient Greek Olympics came to an end in the 4th century AD, but their legacy lives on, shaping the modern Olympic Games we know today. The ancient Greek Olympics were a testament to the human spirit, a celebration of athleticism, and a bridge between nations. Thank you for joining us on this captivating journey through time. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating tales from history.